Hi guys, today I explain to you how to stitch waistcoat. Okay, classic waistcoat. Okay, let start. The cutting is already done. I show you. This is back part. This is back side cut. This one is front and this is the front side cut. Okay, this is the back strap and this is a bone pocket and this is the pocket lining. Okay, uh, first of all I tell you this is not a real fabric. This is just for the fitting or stitching purpose. I use the muslin fabric. Okay, when you stitch the real fabric, you don't cut the same cut, just like this is a back cut. I need 2 cut, but here is 4 cut. So upper and lining is same fabric, but you don't cut same like this. You use lining fabric, different material. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, let's start. This one is front cut, 2 and 2. First I take 2 part. Okay, now I am going to pin. You should follow the notches. Every notch is mentioned on the pattern like this. Notches is very important. If you know the swing, you understand what is notches. Notches is already same like this. Same you can pin another front. 1 centimeter seam allowance. You can notch like this front is done, and you can pin back also. You can pin back also. When you pin the part, you should check the left and right portion like this. This is back pinning is done and front pinning is done. Okay.